In a big green forest, many parrots lived on a tall tree. They were bright green with red beaks. The parrots were happy and playful. They flew together every morning. They searched for fruits and seeds. One old parrot was very wise. He always warned the young parrots. "Never go near humans," he said. One day, a hunter came into the forest. He saw the parrots on the tree. He wanted to catch them. He spread a big net under the tree. Then he threw some grains on the ground. The grains looked fresh and tasty. The young parrots felt hungry. They wanted to go down. The old parrot shouted, "Stop!" But some parrots did not listen. They flew down to eat the grains. Suddenly, the net closed over them. The parrots were trapped. They cried loudly for help. The old parrot quickly made a plan. He told all trapped parrots, "Flap your wings together." All parrots tried at the same time. The net slowly lifted from the ground. They flew up together with the net. The hunter was shocked and ran after them. The parrots flew to a friendly mouse. The mouse chewed the net and freed them. The parrots thanked the mouse and the old parrot. They learned to always listen to wise advice.